and welcome all my future Spanish speakers. Today I'm making a video to show you how bad translators can actually translate things in Spanish. This is gonna be fun. This is something I wanted to do for a long time. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna be using WhatsApp stickers that are so popular in Latin America, and I'm telling you, I have friends all over the world, and I noticed that only Latin American people use WhatsApp in general. I mean, it's more popular in Latin America than in other countries, but also WhatsApp stickers are like everything for people like me from Guatemala or any other Latin American country. I'm gonna pick 5 stickers on WhatsApp in Spanish, and I'm gonna explain you what they mean, but first we're gonna search on 3 different translators. We're gonna use Google Translate, we're gonna use DeepL, and we're gonna use Spanish Dict and see which one is the most accurate. So I can give you a good tool for your future translations, and also we can laugh a little bit about it. All right, let's get started. The first sticker is gonna be this one. It's basically Ted. I think it's Ted. And it's just saying like, Miranada más. So I don't know, guys. I don't know if you guys know what this means, but let's find out what Google Translate and the other translators think it means, and I'll tell you if it's correct or not. All right, so let's start with Google Translate. Look, nothing else. Nope. Mira nada más. Look no further. Sorry, DeepL. No. Mira nada más. Spanish Dict. See nothing else. Also, no. So basically, this expression, mira nada más, means like saying and going to a place and say, well, well, well. You know, when you catch someone doing something that, you know, kind of like was predictable, but at the same time, it's kind of surprising. I'm gonna give you an example. Okay, so imagine that you're calling your friend on the phone and you're telling her like, where are you? And your friend is like, oh, I'm at Juan's house, my ex-boyfriend. Then you're like, well, well, well. You know what I mean? Let's do it in Spanish. Hola, ¿dónde estás? Estoy en la casa de Juan, mi exnovio. Mira nada más. I love this sticker. I use this sticker a lot. Like, I send it to my friends all the time. Okay, guys, I hope you're ready for the second one, because this one's gonna take a little bit of time for me to explain. This one is me en persona. All right, so let's look on Google Translate. Impersonates me? Nope. Me en persona in DeepL, it evolves me. I don't think so. And finally, in Spanish Dict, me en persona means me en persona. I think that's the wise decision. So basically, this is just a sticker made out of the original expression that it's me en perra. Okay, so let's look for me en perra. It says like get embarrassed. No. Me emperra in DeepL means I am. What? Me emperra in Spanish Dict means it emperrame. No. But someone somewhere made this dog saying me en persona as to like it makes me a person, because when you say me emperra, it's like it makes me a dog. The literal translation, but in reality it means it pisses me off. Okay. The next one, I love it so much. I love this sticker, it's so funny. So this one is ya tu sabe. As you can see, like they tried to make it like as a YouTube, kind of like the logo, but it's saying ya tu sabe. Okay, let's see ya tu sabe in Google Translate, and you know, I think that's a literal translation. DeepL, ya tu sabe. You already know that's also literal, and ya tu sabe, Spanish Dict, that's also literal. So this is somehow a way of saying this phrase the way people like in, you know, the Caribbean countries kind of say it, like ya tu sabe. I'm not good at imitating accents, but the proper way would be ya tú sabes. And literally it means you already know. But that's not what it means. So basically, this is a phrase that you use to tell people like you're welcome, or like, yeah, you know that I'm there for you, or you know that I would do this for you. It's kind of like that, like when someone say thank you and they can answer ya tú sabes. I think it's pretty funny. Oye, muchas gracias por ayudarme ayer con el jefe. Oh no, ya tú sabes. I'm terrible. Okay, this next one, it's like a combo sticker. So first you send this one, Osasi, and then you send this one, pero no. So the first one is misspelled. I have to start saying that. It's not how you're supposed to spell osea. Osea goes, it's a kind of like, I don't know how to call it, but it goes separately. You put o and then sea. It doesn't go together, because if you put it together, it means a part of your bone structure. And that's not what we're trying to say. So this sticker was misspelled, but let's pretend that it's grammatically correct. All right, let's start with Google Translate. O sea means I mean. That's pretty accurate. That is if it's good in other contexts. O sea, in other words, actually that's accurate. O sea, sí, that is if again. Yes, correct in other contexts. Spanish dict, o sea, sí pero no, that is but not. I don't think that's not a great translation, I would say. But all of them are correct. It's just like it's using different context. All right, so this phrase, the first part, o sea, sí, means I mean yes, and the second part, but no. You know when you say like, I mean yes, but no, right? Like you're saying like, yes, you're right, but still no. Kind of like that. I love using these two stickers because it's that little cat saying like, o sea, sí, pero no. You know, I'm not a cat lady, I don't even have pets, but I just love animals. Who doesn't? Well, there's a lot of people that don't like animals, and I don't trust that people. And the last one is this one. Eso. What? So once again, this one is not correctly, like it's not really spelled correctly if you were typing or texting or writing. But the sound is the same as one phrase that, at least in my country, Guatemala, we use a lot. Okay, Google Translate, eso means it's, okay. Deep L translator, eso means that. In Spanish dict, eso means that as well. So I think the three of them are correct, but it's just not referred to the phrase that I'm talking about. Like when you're doing something like, I don't know, something cool, or you're giving good news to your friends, you respond like, eso, eso. Honestly, I don't know why. I cannot explain you why, but we do that. It's kind of like saying like, you go girl and you go guy. No, you don't say you go guy. You go girl, or like, you got it. Or yeah, like kind of like encourage someone to keep going with that, or like, you're doing good. You know, that's kind of like the vibe that I feel with eso. Eso. So I also send this sticker a lot when people are telling me they're doing things or something happened. It's just like eso, you know, the gas station, whatever, you know what I mean. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was entertaining for you and actually helpful. Let me know what else would you like me to help you with, because Spanish has so much that, like, there's so much to learn. And I would love to be that person that actually teaches you what you really want to learn. So please, please, please let me know what you wanna hear, learn, or anything, any idea that you have. I'm open, and I would love to see your comments, and I would love to see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!